And I watch those tears fall down. All I could do is turn around. And I look back on my life, opened up my eyes. How can we drift apart, standing at your feet as you step past? Could you even see? Wish I knew the words to say to you. I just turned around and walked away. And I think back to those days, the life we had it made. How could you be so cold when all I need was you to hold? How can we drift apart, standing at your feet as you step past?